Hey everyone, Brian Edmondson here, and I'm making a quick video for you on the Dolphin Robotic Pool Cleaner by Maytronics. So we just took it out of the box here. It pretty much comes out of the box ready to go. It's all set up. So you see there's the power cord here. This power cord is 12 meters long. This is a little device that just keeps it so it floats in the pool and the robot doesn't actually run over the power cord. You can see we have the power cord here. We're gonna have it mounted up against the side of the house eventually, but it plugs into this unit here, and this is how you power the robot. So inside here, just open this up real quick before we put it in the pool. You can see here's where the filter is, and it's just really easy to take out. Empty the filter, put it back in. They do sell an optional premium filter that you can get in addition to this as well. So we're gonna go ahead and power this up, throw it in the pool, and see how it does. All right, so we're gonna drop it in the pool. And there it goes, floating to the bottom. So we'll let this thing float to the bottom, then we'll power it on. All right, we're gonna turn this thing on, and there it goes. Went forward a little bit, decided to go backwards. Coming up here against the edge of the pool. And it's just gonna do its thing. And we'll make another video showing you whether it did a good job at cleaning the pool. You see, this thing's moving pretty quickly, and it's about to hit those leaves there. I don't know if you can see those leaves at the bottom. And it's going forward. And you should see that the leaf that was at the bottom of the pool is gone now. So it's doing its job.